Yeah, hello and welcome to this new ETH update. So yeah, ETH has managed to break out of this price channel finally. So it's following with that our primary scenario. It could have pulled back already, but the idea was that as long as we're holding 1855, which we did, we have to be in favor of another extension to the upside, which it's doing now. In yesterday's updates, I shared with you the next Fibonacci extension levels, which are 1976. 2030, which is also a Fibonacci, so a structural resistance level. We had resistance here, that was in July, resistance here in May, and resistance here in August, and also here in May last year. So August last year, May last year. So it's now pushing higher. At some point, this wave 1 will complete, but we might get another wave 4 and 5 within that before really completing it. Good to see ETH in a healthy condition. And now let's take a look at these shorter time frames. So this is overall the overall idea for it to push higher over the coming months. Next milestone target is here between $3,000 and $4,000, but I might refine that. That will change, okay, based on this 1-2 setup when we get it completed. Certainly, it's fulfilling our primary scenario. The idea was for another high. A few days ago, it did that. Okay, it extended. It made another high, and now it seems to extend further. What I highlighted to you is that it's not entirely clear how the microstructure here looks like. I mean, I thought about it. I mean, maybe even the wave 4 finished here, and this is also some kind of a diagonal, which is now in line with Bitcoin, but we'll see. It doesn't matter so much. The idea was that we are here basically completing this third, and this third wave can still extend higher as long as we stay above 1855. Important would be that we know the next extensions at 1976 and then 2030. And while we go higher, it just indicates that, yeah, extensions are further possible. 2030, I wouldn't be surprised. 2150, I wouldn't be surprised. But what I can share with you as an analyst is really only when the minimum expectations for these waves are fulfilled. And then all we can do really is basically add the relevant support levels and move them together with the price. And I mean, if you still want to focus on higher here, which absolutely is fine, then I would use the last swing low, which is here at 1873. So that would be the next key level I would really focus on for higher, okay? And that level would have lifted from 1855. And at some point, then we should get this wave 4 pullback. This is still what I would primarily watch for. At some point, I might say, okay, we have moved up so much, it might already be wave 5. I mean, that's already the alternative. It could already be wave 5. It might not be that we get this 4-5 section. We might already be in this wave 5, in the larger degree wave 5, depending on how high we go. I would have to decide on that maybe today, tomorrow. But for now, I assume it's wave 3. And the wave 4 support here, yeah, larger degree wave 4 support, is basically between 1691 and 1839, with an ideal range sort of between 1736 and 1782. Only below 1691, I would actually have to assume that something more bearish is going on. But first of all, we are focusing more directly on higher. The micro count is a little unclear to me. This is already a 5-wave move up. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe this is wave 4 and we are in wave 5. And this is a 1, a 2, and we're now in the wave 3 like Bitcoin, and this is actually an A, B, C or something. But, you know, it doesn't matter so much as long as you know the critical support that you can use to focus on higher. We know it can extend higher. We should expect extensions as long as support levels are holding. So good to see ETH that strong. Primary scenario currently at play here. Can still extend a little higher, but watch for a pullback at any time really. Bitcoin could also go into its wave 4 at some point, but that would be a different wave degree. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.